What's up everyone, welcome back to my fourth Python tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about modules and functions in Python. And at the end of my last Python tutorial I mentioned the word which was function. So today I'm going to go a little bit more in depth and help you guys use it better. So essentially what a function is like a program that's built into this Python, and when you use it, it allows you to do more complicated things instead of telling the computer exactly what you're gonna do. Uh, so how you use a function is that you have to write the function name and then fill out the parameters that the function requires. Okay, so what a parameter is, it's any information a function needs to do what you want it to do. In the last tutorial I did some powers with calculations, and there's a function for that built into the Python. So the function name for that is Powoops, and it has two parameters, which are base and the exponent, which needs to be filled out. If you want to do, for example, like 2 to the power of 6, you will need to fill out 2 comma 6 inside the parentheses like this, 2 comma 6. And then when you press it, you'll get the answer. Another example of these calculations built into this like built-in function is abs, like this, which stand for absolute value. This function would be pretty difficult to do, like program, if you didn't have this function inside built in inside. My bad. So what this thing does is it takes any number and outputs how far away the number you put in is from 0. It's kind of complicated, so if you don't understand it, it's totally okay. Yeah, so what you could do is like put in -5, and then it should give you 5. So yeah, that's it for the absolute value function. And then yeah, there's something called modules in Python. So modules, they allow you to get whole lists of new extra functions. It's like a mod in game, if you get that way. So the Python you currently have installed only has so much functions that you can use. So if you want more of those, you can import them by importing modules into your code. So for example, I want to use the function factorial, which is a math function. This is a function that multiplies the number and the numbers before the number until it has reached the number 1. However, if I just type in factorial 5, which is basically 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, Python will give me an error message just like this, which isn't good. So this function is included in math module again, and how you can use it is to type import math. When you press enter, you'll be able to use it now, but be careful. When you're using functions from a module, you'll need an extra modifier in front, which is the module name. Module name period function name, and then parameters, just like that. So for this, it'll be let me delete this real quick. Math factorial, and then this. So go ahead and type in math dot factorial whatever number. So for me, I'm going to type in 5, and when I press enter, it should come out to be 120, just like that. Another function that's included in this module is floor, which rounds down any number. So try like math dot floor 30.99. So whenever you press enter, 30 will come out just like this. So now, just like that, you have two whole new functions because you just imported a module with a simple command. So the point of this is to expand your options with functions, and it's gonna be very useful later on when you code a lot and you make programs. Also, just to have like an experiment, just make a variable. I'm just gonna name it easy because this is gonna be a shortcut for these functions. And I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna assign the thing to math.floor. And so what it should do. Wait, never mind. So now instead of like typing the whole thing, you can just type in like the variable name, parentheses, and the value you want to calculate. So for me, it's gonna be easy, and you're gonna type in like 12.7, and it should give out to be 12, just like that. And it will just do the exact thing like that this thing would do. So you can type in whatever your variable name is and input the parameters, and this will basically just save you a bunch of time in coding. So to reiterate, you can just do your variable dot, not dot, and then just parameters fill out, and then you should be good to go. So this will be it for this tutorial on functions and modules. This is all you have to know for now until later on. And so go ahead and now and practice this, get used to it, and you'll be ready to move on to the next tutorial, which is coming very soon. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.